Okay, so we are here, and hello, Prabha.
Hi, good evening.
Good
Sue
evening,
again.
Prabha.
Good.
How are you?
I'm good. Lovely to see you, Shambhavi, Geeta, and Anita.
Same
Thank
here,
you so
Prabha.
much.
Same
Thank you so
here.
much. Okay,
Am I audible?
yes. Yeah, you are. You could be a little louder. Maybe pretend
Okay.
it's your class.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Prabha, I want to ask you a few things before we go further up. Tell me something. You've been a friend of Sewer Gift for a while now. How did you actually
Yes.
land upon us, and why did you decide to come on board with us? Tell me that.
Okay, I would say it's been let's say 2 years now. I came upon the post that you wonderful ladies, girls, should I say? I don't know.
We are
Had
always girls.
posted
Yeah, always good.
girls at heart, at least always. And you had posted some very lovely pictures for a group of my ex students who had gifted some, the rug mugs for their friend at a wedding. And that
Yeah.
post came on my FB and screen. And then I thought, okay, let me see what is this. And then I saw a familiar face,
Right.
a name actually, Shambhavi.
Thank
And
you.
then it clicked. So then I think I called you and then got to know what this was all about. And it was around the time I think my husband was turning 50. And I was looking out for a gift which was not off the shelves, something which would be, he could relate to, which would be unique and handmade, and not something which would not have a price tag to it. Wanted it to be very personalized. So I had great fun putting up the whole idea because he's a cricketer and 50 years. So had some puns and had a lot of fun coming up with those puns. Shambhavi would
Right.
know what I'm
Right.
talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah, right. Yes. I think what you said just now is it's a lot of fun for us, trying to find out what goes behind just the gift. It's not just you picked it up. And I think when the people receive it, they also understand that you put a lot of
Absolutely.
thought into it. Yes.
Yes, yes. Right from what I loved about SAG was right right from picking up the fabric, the design, the intricate details. Like I remember giving you a tough time by telling you girls that I wanted a left-hander as a
That's
picture, and
Yes.
you had to literally rack your brains to come up with an image, which was so perfect in the end. And then the taglines, lot of
Thank,
effort.
thank, thank
thank
you.
you.
Do
So
you have the product with you? Do you want to show
yeah,
it to
yeah,
us now? I have
yes,
pictures, but I would love to see it.
see, this is a
Oh,
very this. Can you see it? Yeah,
yes, we can. Just a
Yes.
little bit
Sundar.
more. Yes.
Sundar innings.
Yeah, Sundar innings. It was
And
a
you want to
lovely.
say, yeah, say why Sundar innings was important, Prabha. It's a good time to give a little cheer to Sundar.
Yes, I think he's with his friend in the living room. I'm nicely in my, bedroom, and I wanted the noise away from the house. In fact, I told my girls, please, I want this time for myself. Let me be me and talk. So yeah, Sundar innings because that was one of his earliest articles that appeared in a newspaper, Indian Express in Kerala during his early 20s, much before we got married. So I wanted, that was the time when his career was taking off. So I wanted that to be incorporated. And then, of course, we had another reading pillow made, which was exactly about his hitting between the wickets. If I can have the pun, please.
And I really had a doubt, like, are we really putting that in the pillow? Like, are you sure about the wording?
My girls couldn't believe it. Mama, what did you do? I said, listen, it's for your dad who's turning 50, and it's okay. It's going to be in our bedroom, not anywhere else. It's not for public. Of course, now it is public.
No, yeah, but it isn't. Actually, the picture, when I posted it on FB and on other social media, I hid that part, I just put
I know.
only.
I remember my college mates, they immediately got onto the case. They said, okay, why is the pillow so conveniently placed? I said, it's anybody's guess. And
Yes.
I've got this. This was something, again, very, very beautifully done. Sundar
Yes.
innings. Okay, this is a
Luggage tag.
travel
Yeah,
tag,
it's a
luggage
luggage tag.
tag. This was a special story again because this year, before COVID happened, Sundar had the opportunity to represent Team India in the over 50s Cricket World Cup in South Africa. So, thank you. So again, once again, SAG to the rescue, because me being me, I didn't want to, give. And how can you make it memorable at the same time leave a mark? So SAG came to the rescue again. Lovely luggage tags made. And in fact, you should hear this story. This I've not shared with you. What I did was, in his brand new kit and his suitcase, which was all packed, I just snuck in the previous night, the day before he was about to fly, and I put the tag and everything, hoping that he would see you, especially the India flag and everything. Okay.
Right.
And trust me, how can one, they say, no, what is right in front of your eyes, you will not see.
Okay.
Sundar didn't see. He was in all I got excited, and the next morning is leaving. And then finally around midnight, I lost my cool. I said, listen, did you take a good look? Have you packed? Did you put the number key and all that? And I actually made him go and check. And then he said, okay, now what is this? I said, for all the effort that 4 of us have been putting into it, you just did, how could you miss it? But he really enjoyed. And then he said, when he took the kit to South Africa, a lot of his teammates were very intrigued by this.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so good to hear, and which I hope brings us more friends of Suagift, because you actually did get us a lot of people who saw your reading pillows. They actually kind of, for various things they approached us, and they have
I especially loved I don't have it with me because it was gifts that we had made for my friends. 2 of my friends. One was is an artist who loves to paint, and the other was a landmark.
I have a picture here in case. Yeah, I do. In case you just want to wait for a few seconds, I can share the screen here.
Sure.
And it takes a few seconds, and
being in the school, online school these days, I can understand.
The artist was Asha. That was the one, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So before you move on to Asha and the other person, I want to say that for us, the Sundar innings, and we worked on the Indian flag, by the way. Okay.
Yes.
And Anita, could you talk a little bit about the?
Yeah, it was like kind of we didn't know how to, I think we went back forth a lot with how to get the Indian flag right with the left-hand batsman, and such a small space, because luggage tag we just have that 3x4 inches to work on. So we actually made the Indian flag ourselves, like again with stitch artist.
Really?
And then to get the correct blue color for the Indian team, that was a challenge also, looking like getting the fabric. But I guess at the end of it, we were like so thrilled to make it for somebody going to represent India.
In fact, let me share this with you. What I told Sundar, because the World Cup got postponed due to the COVID pandemic, and as hopefully they are thinking of rescheduling it somewhere later this year or early next year. So I told Sundar, by that time, I'm sure Team India should order tags for everybody.
Oh, lovely.
So if that comes through, I'm going to put through that order to you.
Thank you so much.
So
it would
much.
be wonderful.
Thank you so much.
And this is the picture of what is hidden on the reading pillow and what is visible on the luggage tag.
I know.
Okay.
It was really a great experience.
Great. So on the designing part, the next which I'm sharing, this is still we are still on.
Even the tons of fun, again, I think Shambhavi understands my passion for the English language, being a language teacher myself. So there's always that part snuck into whatever we write.
Right. And I don't know if anybody can see on the screen that now there are only, now there is only, it takes a few seconds, for the Facebook Live.
Yes.
Yeah. And so please just, I would request even the audience to bear with me, as well as my partners and Prabha. It takes a few seconds to come onto the screen for the live people. You can see it now, but I think for others, it takes a few seconds. So now it's there. Can you talk about it, Prabha? Tell us more about Asha.
Yes. Now, Asha's a special landmark birthday, and I was wondering, what can I give her to make her feel special, and something which would be of use to her. And Asha has, she's a blogger, she is a writer, she is an artist, multi-talented friend of mine. And then it hit me that she had this logo. Okay. And that's where the idea suddenly came to me. Why don't I use that? And then I think I called up Anita, I think, and Shambhavi, and you gave me the idea. Why don't you do this, where you can have the whole, the paint.
Right.
Yeah, what do you call it?
The paintbrush holder. Yeah, the paintbrush holder. Correct.
Yes, the paintbrush holder. So I remember specifically the choosing, you people helping me choose the denim fabric for it.
Right. It looks very good, and it's a good material to have the brushes in, to hold the brushes. True. It's a nice, good, stiff material. And this is one of our very popular products, of course. And the design was done, and Anita worked on doing it, and we used Embrilliance again. Let me get to the next. Yes, you'll see it in a few seconds. I mean, the audience will see it in a few seconds, Prabha, but you can go ahead and talk about your friend. For whom we made,
this was for another very good friend of mine who around 3 years ago had relocated from UK to UAE, and it was again her very special landmark birthday. And once again, I wanted to gift her something which would be unique, which would have all the details about her life in London as well as UAE. So that's when we picked out again lot of what I love about Sew a Gift is the kind of patience that you girls have always shown, giving the customer that much time to decide the to and fro messages. And then, at any point, I remember those footsteps, because I wanted those leaving footprints. And then the Burj, and then Wanderlust. And I had too many things I wanted, because she's a dancer, a singer. So I wanted so many elements, and putting it all together. Yeah, and I remember that time I was, to be frank, I had given them given you girls a very tight budget too. So I said, no, I wanted within this. But in the end, it all turned out so beautifully. I just was lucky that I got 2 very, very lovely mugs to go with the exact design, the pattern. And my friend was over the moon.
Okay.
She said, I don't feel like using it. I'm going to just display it on my kitchen counter. And believe me, I see it. Whenever I go there, I can see it there.
That's right. So I'm, okay. So, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Prabha. Yeah, we are back. Okay. So, Prabha, thank you so much, and for taking so much time, and for telling our audience about this. And actually, it's not just the live audience, it's also our repeat audience who will be watching this, our friends, family. And
thank you.
When you say this to us, that we have done and gone into details, it comes across that our passion is towards the gift, that it should have value. That is what we try to do. And when you tell me this, it becomes very nice for us. I feel very good about it, and I think I should.
It is. Yeah, all 3 of you deserve a big pat on your back.
Please,
partners. I will not think twice before I spread the good word. Of course, people coming home see this, ask, and I'm looking forward to another opportunity. Maybe when I can, place my next order. Let's keep our fingers crossed for that Team India.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Would love to do that.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much. And we'll say bye to you now. Thank you so much.
Stay safe. Bye. Stay happy.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Say that. Thank you for spending so much time with us. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Yes. That was good. That was good.